Did you know that only 26% of 12th graders are graduating high school with adequate math skills? And by adequate, I mean ready for life in a highly competitive global job market. You see, the competitive landscape for good paying, challenging, and rewarding jobs isn't just about having computer skills or understanding different technologies. It's about adaptation to change, because the speed of change in our hyper-tech world is unprecedented. And that means that our high school and college grads are going to be changing jobs or careers every 4 years on average. Look at how innovation is changing our world at lightning speeds right now. From 3D printing and the cloud, to artificial intelligence and robotics, to electric and autonomous cars, and the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is the playing field where countless devices can be connected to generate new knowledge and ideas, and where machines can not only talk to each other, they can learn too. And when machine learning is combined with the neural networks of artificial intelligence, you get deep learning algorithms, like IBM's Watson. I'm not a technology guru, I'm a technology investor. And that's why I know about these innovations and how they are changing entire industries, eliminating millions of jobs and then creating millions more new ones that demand highly skilled employees with solid math skills. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kevin Cook and I'm a stock market strategist. Every day I research companies and advise investors on which stocks to buy and which ones to sell. But you would never have guessed that's where I was going at age 18 or even at age 28. That's because I struggled with math in high school and in college, and I didn't learn what I needed to know to be able to enter the world of markets and succeed until I was in my 30s. In fact, I was very lucky to find the tools and determination to get over my math phobias and create a new career for myself. Most kids won't be as lucky as I was to reinvent their education and a career 10 or 20 years later, when many career fields may have passed them by. I always used to say, if I had just tried harder or had a better teacher, I would be so much better off now. Well, I don't want to hear any high school or college student ever say that if I can help it. So I'm starting a revolution called Math is Alive. It begins with this book, 50 Mind-Blowing Ways to Make Math Friendly, Fun, and Powerful. I wrote it for the 74% of students who suffered needlessly with math like I did when I thought I'd never survive algebra. It's also for teachers who will find fresh and unique ideas for lessons, activities, and learning experiments. But it's written in a conversational style with lots more stories than equations. So it's great for parents too. You can read the chapters in any order, flipping around the different topics or pages that catch your eye, like how the iPhone shrank the universe, or how to become a stock market wizard, or even crazy people who buy Powerball tickets. I'm not an expert in education, but I've been passionate about learning and teaching my whole life. And one of the greatest things I've learned is that a young person's brain is an incredible living sponge for knowledge and understanding, thirsty to make connections between all they see around them. But most brains are not naturally inclined to love equations the same way that we love language, like how we can learn 2 languages before the age of 5. Math is Alive is a friendly, inviting bridge to get young minds to explore the fast-changing world around them and discover all the cool uses they might have for math in all the fascinating things that they experience every day. It's fun, it's inspirational, and it's my mission that each kid who flips through its 50 mind-expanding journeys will find at least one mind-blowing story or challenge that makes him or her do 3 things. 1. Discover a new interest in the worlds of science and technology. 2. Believe in his or her ability to learn different math. And 3. Know that he or she can learn a lot more with a little help, and then conquer lots of math challenges with a smile. My goal is not to expect every kid to become a math whiz when many are destined to become musicians, athletes, artists, writers, performers, and other kinds of world changers. My goal is to make sure every kid has a chance to see the power of math in their world and the multitude of ways they can use it and maybe even love it. Click on the link below to learn how you can be a part of this revolution and the rewards I have for you in return. Let's make the launch of the Math is Alive revolution a blast heard around the world.